Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I posted. I have just been so busy. But a few weeks ago, we took a mini vacation to Turks and Caicos and it was beautiful. I know most visitors tend to spend more time in Provo, but we spent most of our time in South Caicos and then just one night in Provo. Both of the places are gorgeous. We loved it. But to be honest, because it's off season and South Caicos is not the main tourist attraction, we felt like we had the whole beach to ourselves. We had the whole resort. Like, there was not much people at all. Probably there was like 7 other families. That was it. So because of that, it just felt like we had our own beach and our privacy. We loved it. It was beautiful. And it's true what they say, ocean really does make you feel so tiny, humble, calms you down, it inspires you, everything all at the same time. Like, it's just amazing to see God's creation. We loved it. Fun fact, South Caicos is known for their fishing industry. The Turks and Caicos Islands are a British overseas territory, but the interesting thing is their main currency is the US dollar. Which I thought that was cool. If you are a US citizen, at least for now, you don't need a visa. All you need is your US passport, which is great. All right, I'm gonna stop rambling now. And we captured some moments to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. All right, guys, enjoy, have fun. We flew from Denver to New York, then New York to Provo. At the airport, we had a 3-hour layover before our flight to South Caicos. The dining options were few. There are 2 options to get to South Caicos. One is a direct flight and the other is a ferry ride, but the schedules are very limited, so plan carefully. We took the flight, which is about 30 minutes, and it was a very small flight with less than 25 seats. In 2017, South Caicos was hit by Hurricane Maria and Irma, and that really did affect this place. A lot of people lost their homes. They have not 100% recovered just yet. We saw lots of houses without a roof, and when talking to the locals, they said it is not easy to recover fast because all building materials have to be imported. We stayed at East Bay Resort and fell in love with our room. It was very spacious, and of course, Noah had lots of room to roam around, and the balcony had an amazing view. Everyone there was so friendly. When we spoke to the locals, they said South Caicos is safer than the other islands, and everyone literally knows each other. We walked towards the salt ponds, and the white part, what you see, that is salt. Isn't that crazy? And yes, we sure did try it out. Exporting salt was their main industry prior to fishing. We took the ferry ride to Provo, but the ferry is also a way for the locals to bring their daily, weekly, or monthly supplies from Provo. For example, tomatoes, beans, meat, whatever you can think of. They had to bring everything from Provo on the ferry or the plane. We enjoyed Provo as well. You will definitely notice the difference between Provo and South Caicos. You'll see a lot more tourists, shopping centers, the buildings look different. I don't know. I felt like the vibe is totally different here. Overall, we are in love with Turks and Caicos. We definitely do miss it. Well, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Till next time, bye.